Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I got the rear control arms all ready for POR15 application right now. I used the kit here, same kit I used for the front, but the only thing I did different with this is I actually did use the metal prep since there was no really powder coating left. And the rears were twice as rusty as the fronts because I had the fronts actually powder coated a couple years ago, but they came out pretty shitty. They didn't last for more than a couple seasons before the rust came through, so I POR15 those without the metal prep, and I just did these full degrease after a wire wheel with a drill, and then I let the metal prep sit on them wet for like 20 minutes and then hosed them off, let them dry. So that's supposed to etch into the metal and make it a very high bond surface for the POR15. So these should in theory be more durable than the fronts since I painted right over the powder coat, what was left of the powder coat with the POR15. But I'll show you guys before and after here. This is kind of my setup. Cut all these blocks out and use the hardware that holds them on the car. So I can, have these things fully suspended and paint all the way around them, flip them upside down when I finish one side. I'll do the same with these here when I get ready to flip them over. And looking forward to this. This is the last step of the car to get it looking factory fresh all the way underneath the car. As you can see here, the front is all done with the new calipers. Control arms are beautiful, and everything in the brake duct's all hooked up again. So looking forward to this, and I'll report back how it turned out. Alright, so the control arms have had 2 coats on them, and they've been drying for almost a full day now. And came out pretty well. Super glossy with their regular POR15 coat. I'm not going to do any kind of top coat on these because the sun is really not going to see them. The rears definitely took twice as long as the fronts to do, but it came out pretty awesome, I'd say. Alright guys, so here's a look at how all the control arms came out after the POR process. You can see they're beautiful glossy black. I kind of wish the POR15 was a matte black. I know you can buy top coats for them, but I wish the product right out of the box would dry in a matte finish because I didn't want to spend $40 on a big container of some top coat when all I'm doing is control arms. I did all 4 control arms on the car with one of those 4-ounce containers, and I still have quite a bit of POR15 left in them. I did 2 thick coats on each control arm. So that's really all you need to do these. I'll report back on how they hold up. It's just a look at the rears, but it looks beautiful again. There's no rust exposed anywhere on this car anymore. The control arms are always the first thing to rust underneath this car, even if you don't even drive it in any winter conditions. Just the rain will do it over time. You can see the fronts. Beautiful, beautiful. And the tops, they just have some dust on them now in my brake bleeder cover there. But hope you guys enjoy the video. Give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe to the video. See you guys in the next one.